Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone has been doing good. It's a beautiful day, and today, as you can see, this beautiful pot of goodness, very delicious onugbu soup recipe. I have brought this for you. If you want to know how I'm going to do this, stay till the end of this video. We are using the dried cocoyam. Guys, so this is my pepper and my crayfish. I had already started this video, but I just wish to share with you. You guys, Manuela is not feeling too good. But I'm adding my ogiri. So you can add your ogiri like this. This ogiri I bought from Nigeria is awesome. If you live in the diaspora, you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes you don't get the best. Awesome, like it's better than the one I've been buying here since I've run out of ogiri. I went to Nigeria and I bought a lot of this one. When I use it to cook anything at all, honestly speaking, I can just really feel it that this is really ogiri. Blend, blend, blend. So let's blend and add to the cooking pot. Like I said, I started cooking already, but I decided to share with you guys. I have my meat stock here. I have some chicken here. I have some stockfish in here. So I've added my blended stuffs, crayfish, ogiri, and pepper. You can use fresh pepper or dried pepper, okay? Depending on what you want to do. We are using banga oil. I'm going to mix my ede now and add it in here, guys. I'm using dried ede. So I'm going to mix it in water. So here's my dried cocoyam. All you need to do is to mix it in water. If you wish, you can just add it dried. It doesn't matter. I'm running, guys, like I'm trying to be as fast as I can. Just go ahead and add it in. Everything will eventually melt up very well. So you don't have to worry about the lumps in the soup, okay? The cocoyams are going to melt in the soup as the soup cooks. All you need to do is to add more water, because at this point you need more water. I'm cooking a huge pot, so this is going to be a lot of onugbu soup. A lot. So don't mind the way it's looking now. It's going to fill this pot by the time it's ready. And then I'll allow it to cook until it has melted. Then I can add the remaining of the protein. I'm going to go in with the stockfish so everything can just continue to cook. Always make sure your proteins are soft. It's very important. We like to eat soft protein here. We don't like our protein hard. So I'll cook it until it is soft. So I'm just using the back of my spoon to mix the ede so that it can all melt very well in the pot. I'm going to go in with the stockfish, guys. The aroma here is wonderful, guys. All you need to do is to cover it and allow it to cook. Guys, it's melting. If you don't like mix it well, it will bring out lumps. So because I didn't mix it well, it has lumps. But please make sure you mix it well before you add it. I'm running. Like, I'm so tired. I want to rest. One thing for sure is as you continue to cook the soup, the lumps are going to be melting. Before you finish cooking the soup, you will not get any lumps in your pot. So I'm going to add all the protein. At this point, you want to add your protein, your bitter leaf, and more crayfish if you like. These are all my protein. Let's add them in. I hope you have been watching this video from the beginning. And if you have, thank you so very much. I have several onugbu soup recipes on my channel. You can go and look them up. I'm sure you really love it. The soup is so delicious, guys. I already tasted it. I added some mackerel fish. Yeah, you can do your Ofe Onugbu with what you have. So I'm going to go in with everything at once and allow it to cook. I'm also going to go in with my vegetables and allow everything to come to a boil. Yes, you can do that at this point, okay? Are you loving this onugbu soup recipe? Drop on that comment section. How do you love your onugbu soup? Do you like a lot of bitter leaf in it or a little bit? Let me know in the comment section. My bitter leaf. I'm going to add everything. My husband likes bitter leaf now. I'm surprised. I made Ofe Onugbu behind the... Yeah, I made Ofe Onugbu. I told you guys I made Ofe Onugbu. And Chidera trashed the video mistakenly. So my husband ate that soup and loved that Ofe Onugbu so much. And I decided to repeat. And now I decided to repeat the same Ofe Onugbu soup. And yeah, I'm going to rinse this out. Remember to parboil your onugbu. I went ahead to parboil my onugbu. I'm going to just rinse it out now. We're going to add our bitter leaf. This is like 10 minutes later. As you can see, guys, there are no more lumps in the soup. Our soup is looking very delicious. With my bitter leaf. This is Ofe Onugbu, right? Yeah. We want enough onugbu here. We don't want it scanty. My husband likes vegetable in soup. So we are adding everything. It is actually because of the onugbu that it is called onugbu soup. I'm sure so many people don't know this. Yeah, it is because of the onugbu. After all, I'm the planter of onugbu. You guys, that's a lot of soup. Oh. This is for my family. Yeah. You can do this if you have onugbu. If you don't have onugbu, please use what you have. Don't go and worry yourself too much. Anything you have, use it. I'm using what I have, guys, because I'm going to have more. My onugbu is already coming. I'll soon harvest all the first ones. My husband to enjoy what he likes. Yeah, we're going to allow it to cook. Leave it this way. Allow it to cook until it is tender. Stay tuned, guys. I went in with extra crayfish, so I want to add some more water because this soup is really thick. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. I'm not going to mix it yet. I'm just going to move it around.
You need to buy new rubber because you don't have enough rubbers for it.
And yeah, you are very correct. You are very, very correct.
Without covers.
Are you telling YouTube? Chidera is exposing me, guys. Can you imagine my daughter exposing me that I need to buy more rubbers to put my soup, which is the truth. But honestly, I haven't thought of it. These things are very expensive here, so I'm still managing the ones I have without cover. That's what she's saying. Can you see? And if she has money, she will just eat it on all the orders. She will order food, order all manner of things, and not even think of buying anything for her mother. I'll show you guys Chidera's collection of perfumes. What the girl likes to spend her money on. She likes to spend her money on perfumes, all manner of self-care products. That's the one I'm seeing. Oh. Very delicious. I'll cover this soup so that my bitter leaf. Guys, you know I added some extra crayfish and I added water to adjust because it's very thick. So I'm going to allow it now to cook for about 15 minutes so that our vegetables can be very soft. Okay, it's always good to parboil, which is one of the things I did. I like to parboil my onugbu. I'll cover it up and allow it to cook until it is well done. Okay, give it about 15 minutes and we are ready. Let's check our soup, guys.
From the Christian side, I learned that they have different.
Okay, I'll hear you later. Guys, rate this soup. Tell me what you think, and let me know your favorite soup on the comment section. I love onugbu soup. Maybe a lot of you don't know. I've cooked several onugbu soup. It's on my channel, guys. I have these things on my channel. I decided to show you this. This one was made with banga itself. Okay, eating with oatmeal fufu. The oatmeal fufu is ready. I'm going to show you my soup. I'm going to show you my onugbu delicious. See my pot of goodness. Oh. See my pot of goodness, guys. Easter is already happening here. And you see, the bitter leaf soup is sumptuous. Sumptuous bitter leaf soup. I hope you are going to try this. Guys, I hope you're going to try this. This is the best onugbu soup, trust me. You don't have to cook with this and that. Just simple native soup. Very delicious and good for your body. Ooh, this is so good. Consider to subscribe to this amazing channel and share this video to your family, friends, and loved ones. The consistency is awesome. Let me dish. I want to eat that bitter leaf like very, very well, guys. Trust me. I want to eat this bitter leaf well. Look at that. Add this beautiful stockfish. This soup is sumptuous, delicious. Chidera, I want to lick soup. Chidera, I want you to lick soup. The bitter leaf soup will help you. What do you think? From my kitchen to the family table, from my garden to the table. I feel so good. Where are those new wives? Come on, see what I'm doing with this fufu. Come and learn now. Come and learn. See what Gucci's is doing. This is how we serve our fathers. Yeah. God bless you all for watching. Gucci's tea. Be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Come and eat, guys. Ciao, ciao.